The diabetes plate method is a simple and visual way to plan and portion meals for better blood sugar control. We get it. Eating the right foods can be hard when you have diabetes. You have a lot of questions about what you can eat and whether it can spike blood sugar. It can also take time to find the right foods and sometimes confusing. So we often end up struggling with our diets and blood sugar levels. Here's where the diabetes plate method can help. The plate method is a visual way to portion carbs, protein, and vegetables for each meal. So it's a simple way to plan meals to help control blood sugar, and it's also recommended by the American Diabetes Association. Using the diabetes plate method is easy. First, use a 9-inch dinner plate. Next, fill half the plate with non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, cauliflower, or carrots. Fill the other half with a quarter protein such as chicken, lean meat, or seafood. And the other quarter fill with carbs. For your drink, water, or any non-calorie beverage is recommended. To put simply, the plate method is 50% non-starchy vegetables, 25% protein, and 25% carbs. So why start using the plate method? For one, it makes for very simple meal planning and portioning. No dealing with calorie counting or food scales to measure foods. And because you don't need any special tools, you can still do the plate method when eating out. The plate method can also help you with weight loss. When we eat too much, the body stores those extra calories as fat. And the reality is our food portions are too big, making it too easy to overeat. So portion control can help keep you from overeating and gaining weight. Now that you know how to do the plate method, here's some tips to keep in mind. Choose your carbs wisely because some carbs affect blood sugar more than others. For your carb portion, try to avoid simple carbs like processed grains and sugary fruit. Foods like breads and pasta are mostly carbs that break down quickly and can spike blood sugar levels. Instead, pick complex carbs from whole food sources. This could be beans and legumes, or starchy vegetables like yams and carrots. Complex carbs break down slower, so they don't tend to spike blood sugar. You can also change the portions with higher protein and lower carb, for even better blood sugar control. Not only is protein important for building cells and muscles, but it also helps with blood sugar by slowing the absorption of carbs. And eating protein makes you feel full, which can help stop you from overeating. To recap, the diabetes plate method is a simple and visual way to portion meals to help control your blood sugar and calorie intake. It starts with a 9-inch dinner plate. Half the plate should be non-starchy vegetables, and the other half with protein and carbs. Your drink should be water or any zero-calorie beverage. And for better blood sugar control, we recommend avoiding processed carbs like breads and pastas, while increasing protein portion. And that's all there is to the diabetes plate method. You can find more useful tips and info for managing type 2 diabetes here at diabetter.com.